Comparison between 3 MaxiCare Prima Comprehensive. Lahat ng Prima Comprehensive, 1-year coverage. Pre-existing conditions are welcome here. And no age limit. Plus, no paperwork need. For MaxiCare Prima Consult, 999, 1-year coverage na yan. Primary care clinic consultations, unlimited. Annual physical exam included. Basic 5. Set A lab test, X-ray, ECG, ultrasound to the echo, treadmill, CT scan. Set B lab test, Set C lab test, or vaccine. Access to preferential rate or special rate. Out of pocket po yan. Ibig sabihin po, pwede kayo mag-avail pero babayaran. For MaxiCare Prima Access, 9,999. Again, 1-year coverage na po yan. Primary care clinic consultations, unlimited pa rin. Annual physical exam, included pa rin. For the Set A lab test, meron siyang lab test na included. For the Set A lab test, 24 times nyo pong pwede magamit. Ito po yung 50 plus na lab test, 24 times na siyang pwedeng ma-avail in 1 whole year, plus 2 chest x-ray, 2 ECG, and 1 ultrasound. And access to preferential rates or special rates if needed, out of pocket po. For MaxiCare Prima Elite, if the budget allows, lalo na kung senior loved one, or kahit hindi naman senior, may pre-existing conditions, may regular checkup, this one is for you. For only 19,999, again, this is 1-year coverage, no age limit, no paperwork needed, pre-existing conditions are welcome here. Primary care clinic consultations, unlimited. Annual physical exam, included pa rin, yung basic 5. For the Set A lab test, yung binanggit ko kanina sa Prima Access sa 24 times, dito sa Prima Elite, unlimited ang Set A lab test. Plus, unlimited X-ray at unlimited ECG. And any 3 advanced diagnostics and imaging. Pwedeng pare-pareho, pwedeng magkakaiba. In 1 whole year. And access to preferential rates if labs and diagnostics in imaging or vaccines are needed. Use my agent code nandiyan sa taas, A466650. And please do notify me kapag nag-avail